Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Mina.
Mina. Hi, Mina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi. How are you, Mina?
I am happy.
Oh, really? That's so nice to hear. Okay. Now, are you ready for our lesson tonight?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's start, okay? Okay, now let's start with this lesson. So tonight, we're gonna talk about summer camp, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's learn some words first, okay? You read with teacher, okay? Okay, can you please read this, Mina?
Summer camp.
Very good, summer camp. One more.
Summer camp.
Good job. One more time.
Summer camp.
Very good. Good job, Mina. Okay, now, how about the sentence? Can you please read it?
Mm. Welcome to summer camp.
Very good. Wow, good job. Can you give teacher a high five? High five. High five, Vina. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is a summer camp. Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Yeah, that is an example of a summer camp. Okay, now let's read the next word. How about this? What is this?
Study.
Very good. One more time.
Study.
Good job. One more.
Study.
Very good. Okay, how about the sentence?
We like to study math.
Good job. We like to study math. Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, next is, how about this? Can you please read this?
Sand castle.
Good job.
Sand castle. So
Very good. Sand castle. One more.
sand castle.
Good job. Very good. Okay, how about the sentence?
We can make a sand castle.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now let's move here, okay? Can you find all the sand castle?
Sand castle sheets. Can you find all the sand castle?
Can you tell teacher? Where are the sand castles? Can you draw a circle?
Um, I
Can you use the pen like this one? Can you draw?
yeah.
Okay. Can you tell teacher where are the sand castles? Can you use the pen or not?
Mm,
Do you see the
mm,
pen like this? Can you copy teacher? Can you do it like this?
No.
Oh no, you cannot use it. Oh, can you see it in the upper corner of the screen? You see the drawing, the pen, this pen? No, you cannot
Yes.
use it.
I can see.
Oh, you can see it, but you cannot use the pen. Okay, just tell teacher, is this a sand castle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, how about this?
Sand castle.
Okay, very good. That's correct. There are, can you say, there are three sand castles.
There are three sand castle.
Very good. Good job, Mina. Okay, now, can you tell me what are they doing in the picture?
They are camping.
They're camping. Very good. That's correct. Yeah, good job. They are camping. They have tents and they're firewood, so they are camping. Very good. Okay, now check and read, okay? Oh, can you please read this?
What do you like to study? I like to study math.
Very good. I like to study math. Okay, good job. Now, can you please put a check? What's the answer? It's study. Can you put it? Oh, you cannot use the pen. I'm sorry. Okay, very good study. Good job. It's study. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, can you give teacher a high five again? High five, Mina. Good job. Okay, very good. Okay, now how about this, Mina? Can you please read this?
Welcome to summer camp.
Very good. How about this?
Yay! I like summer camp. Well, we study math at summer camp.
Very good.
No, no, we don't study math at summer camp.
Very good. Okay, can you please read this again? Won't. Won't.
What? What?
Okay, one more. Won't.
What?
Won't.
What?
Okay,
What?
one more. No, we won't study math at the summer camp.
No, we won't study math at summer camp.
Very good. Good job. Okay, how about this one?
Today we will learn how to make a sand castle.
Very good.
Great! I love sand castle.
Good job. Okay, very good. Do you love sand castles, Mina?
Yes, I do.
Oh, really? Do you play?
Teacher,
Yes.
this is a Timmy.
Oh, really? That's Timmy? You know him?
Hair is brown.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. This is Timmy. Oh, you know Timmy?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. How about this? Who is this?
Um, I don't know.
You will know his name on next classes, okay? Okay. So for now, you will just learn about Timmy. That's nice. You know Timmy. Timmy is always in this book. Okay, thank you
Timmy
so
is
much.
Timmy is 7 years old.
Yeah, Timmy is 7 years old. Okay, now how about this? Can you please read this, Mina?
Wow, making a sandcastle is not easy. I can't make it it curl.
Good job.
Here you need to add water to the sand.
Very good. You're gonna add water to the sand so you can make a sand castle. Okay, now let's move here. How about this? Can you please read this?
Oh, great. Now I can make a sand castle.
Good job.
Yes, you can learn many things at summer camp.
Very good. That's correct. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's play some games, okay? But you cannot use your pen, right? That's sad.
Can make
Uh, can you try? Can you try to use your pen like this? You copy teacher. Can you ask mommy to help you with your pen?
mommy not house.
Oh, mommy's not at your house. Oh, I
Me
see.
is a one.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, let's just not answer this first, okay? Because you don't have a pen. Let's just try it next time, okay? Okay. Okay, let's try it next time. Okay. Now tell teacher, I like what? What does he like? He like what? He like?
I like camping.
Very good. This is camping. Good job. I like camping. How about her? How about
I
Cindy?
I can play sandcastle.
Okay, I can play sandcastle. Wow, good job, Mina. Can you give teacher two high five? Two high five. One, two. Okay, very good. That's correct. I like camping and I can play. Then I can make. You say I can make sandcastle.
I can make sandcastle.
Very good. That's correct. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's have a role play, okay? Add some words to
Only
finish this cartoon. Okay, what
show.
do you like? What do you like? What does Timmy like?
I I pet shop.
He likes pet shop. He wants to go to the pet shop to buy what?
Uh, a cat.
A cat. Yeah. He can buy a cat
Uh,
and he can buy what? What are the other pets in the pet shop?
uh, mm, four.
Dog. Oh, there are four. What are these? There are four.
One, two, three.
Are there four cats?
Cat.
Yeah, very good. That's correct. Okay,
I
now
can do it.
can very good. I can do it. Good job. Okay, can you please read this?
I can summer camp. I can study. I can sand castle.
Okay, you say I can make sand castle.
I can make sand castle.
Very good. Okay, next. You say I can do it.
I can do it. I like summer camp.
Very good.
I can make a sand castle.
Good job. Wow, very good. That was all correct. Very good, Mina. Wow. You finished the whole material. Very good.
It
Okay.
is Timmy.
Yeah, who is this?
Timmy.
Timmy. Yeah, very good. That is Timmy. Okay, can you please read this?
Middle sun. Oh, middle sun, sun, middle golden sun, please sun down on me. Oh, middle sun, sun, middle golden sun, hiding behind the tree. Oh, there's little children all asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, meet the sun, sun, meet the golden sun. Please lie down on me.
Wow, very good. You're such a great singer, Mina. Very good. You know the song. Wow. Where did you learn the song? Hmm?
Uh,
Where did you learn Mr. Sun?
meet the sun.
Yeah. Where did you learn the song?
Uh,
You heard the song now?
yeah.
Oh, very good. You know the song. Good job. Okay. That was all for tonight. You finished the whole material. Very good, okay? But since we still have time left, okay, we have a lot of time left, so teacher will just move to another lesson, okay? Okay, wait. We're gonna move to last level 2. Oh, teacher don't have another lesson for you. But since we finished it very early, teacher will let you play a game, okay?
Yes.
Do you want to play a game?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, game. Do you know this? Oh, really? Okay, I will let you play a game. This one, okay? Okay, because you're very good and you finished the whole material very early, teacher will reward you to play a game, okay? Okay. Now, can you choose what eyes do you want for her?
What number? 5.
Number 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you. How about her mouth?
5.
5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. You want her to have her teeth outside? How about her eyebrows?
Mm, don't.
No, okay. How about her hair? Oh, wait. Let's move here so you can pick more. Okay.
Uh, mm,
You want to try this? Or this? Or this?
yes.
Oh, this one. Okay, how about her hair at the back? Do you want her to have a short hair or like this? Or this one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay. How about at the back? Do you want her to have a long hair or like this?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. How about her makeup? Do you want to put the makeup or no?
Three.
Number 3. Okay. What color? Pink?
Pink.
Okay. How about her blush?
Um. One.
Number 1. Okay. Okay, now let's move to her clothes. Oh, wait. There is that.
Become an
Okay,
AI
wait,
product
okay.
manager. Learn from Microsoft experts on Coursera and apply.
Okay, what clothes do you want for her?
Mm, no.
You want to try this or this? This one. Okay. How about her skirt? You want to try, wait, short skirt like this? Or this one? Or number 2?
Six.
6, this one?
Yes.
Okay. And how about her socks?
Key. Key.
6 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one? Long? Or this one? Heart. Okay. How about her shoes?
Um.
You want to try boots?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Wow. And how about her uh headbands
Eight.
or ribbon? Hmm? Ribbon?
Uh, yes.
Okay. And how about her bag? What bag do you want?
Um.
You want to try this one? This one? Or do you want this one?
No. A candy.
A candy? This one?
Yes.
Okay. And how about her necklace? A heart one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that's all. Let's take her a picture. What background do you want? A heart? A heart? Oh.
Mm. Uh. Put. Yeah.
Okay. Let's now take a picture, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's take her picture. Okay. Now teacher will send it to you, okay? Because it's already time. Teacher will just send it to you. Okay, just save the picture, okay? Teacher sent it to you. Okay, do you see it? Okay, teacher will now say goodbye, okay? It's already time. Thank you so much, Mina. And I'm gonna see you again, okay?
Bye, teacher. See you
Goodbye,
again.
Mina. See you again. Good night.